Welcome to the Innovar Healthcare Mirth Minute. Today I'll be introducing the OpenAI plugin for Mirth Connect. This powerful plugin is designed to leverage OpenAI's ChatGPT models, providing real-time assistance in developing JavaScript code on Mirth Connect. With ChatGPT integrated into Mirth Connect, developers can clarify concepts, get solutions, resolve bugs and errors, and generate HL7 messages such as ADT, ORU, and ORM. But why choose OpenAI? Because it can enhance the efficiency of healthcare professionals by identifying and troubleshooting issues in their JavaScript code. ChatGPT helps healthcare professionals by providing reliable and efficient services to their patients and improves the quality of care. The three key features of the JavaScript code debugger include quickly identifying and troubleshooting issues, it offers valuable debugging suggestions using AI, and it saves time and effort. The message generator key features include connecting Mirth Connect with ChatGPT to generate HL7 messages, it saves time and testing interfaces, and it improves communication and healthcare delivery. Before we begin, make sure to review the installation prerequisites and check the compatibility with your Mirth Connect setup. Coming up, we have how to configure and use the OpenAI plugin, and enhancing your development experience on Mirth Connect. If you're using Mirth Connect packaged by Innovar Healthcare from the AWS Marketplace, the extension should be pre-installed on Advanced with SSL and Advanced with SSL auto-scaling versions, starting with version 4.5 or greater. If you need to reinstall or update, please pause the video and follow the included instructions. If you do not already have a key, please create one by logging into OpenAI. First, navigate to the OpenAPI login. Enter your login information. If you do not already have an account, you will need to create one before continuing. You will be asked to choose between ChatGPT or API. Choose API. Next, on the left-hand side, choose API keys. Then click Create New Secret Key. After pressing Create New Secret Key, you will be directed to fill out the secret key information. You will decide who owns the key, either yourself or a service account. Entering a name is optional. Next, select the project and the permissions. You can choose from all permissions, restricted permissions, or read-only permissions. Once the information is filled in, press Create Secret Key. After you press Create Secret Key, your secret key will appear next. Please save the secret key in a safe and accessible location. You will not be able to view the secret access key again through your OpenAI account. If you lose the key, you will need to generate a new one. You will now need to add the billing information. First, navigate to Settings. Second, navigate to Billing. Third, add the payment method. And fourth, add to credit balance. Before using the Talk to OpenAI and Message Generator features, you will need to set up the plugin in Mirth Connect. Navigate to Settings. In the Settings menu, you will find a new tab labeled OpenAI Settings. Click on this tab. Enter your OpenAI API key in the provided field. Mine will be censored. Click Save on the left. Next, to access the features, go to the Other section. You will now have access to both the Talk to OpenAI and Message Generator features. Talk to OpenAI has three features. The first is debugging, which reviews the code for errors and helps correct it. The second one is explaining, which explains what the copied code block is doing in user-friendly terms. It can also add comments to the code. The third is optimizing, which reviews the code to see if it can be optimized, cleaned up, or otherwise just made more efficient. We will first look at the Talk to OpenAI feature. You can copy a section of JavaScript code in the transformer step, the code template, or the global scripts. I'll be copying from the transformer step. Highlight and copy the code you want reviewed to your system clipboard. Click the Talk to OpenAI option on the Other task panel. You will see the code you previously copied to your system clipboard. If you click the drop-down arrow, you will see the different usages for this feature. After you select the usage, press Send. It may take a moment for the response to load, but there is a blue progress bar located at the bottom. Now that the response has finished loading, you will see the recommendations that the feature offers. As you scroll through the response, you'll also see it provides a reviewed version of the code. You have the option to copy the code from the response. Next, we will try one of the other usages. I'm navigating back to the drop-down box and selecting Explain the code, then hitting Send. Once the response loads, you will see an explanation of the code from the input in user-friendly terms. It may also add comments to the code. Finally, we will try Optimize the code, which reviews the code to see if any improvements need to be made. You'll see that the plugin provides guidance on how to make the code more efficient and explains how its version of the code optimizes the input. Click the Message Generator option on the Other task panel. You will have to select the message type, event type, and message number. Once you make your selections, click Generate Messages. It will take a few moments to get the response from OpenAI. The first example of a generated message is the message type ADT, which is used to communicate patient demographics, visit information, and patient state at a healthcare facility. You will see the various event types and message numbers listed that can be generated. The second message type is ORU, which contains information about a patient's clinical observations and is used in response to an order generated in a clinical system. The event types include A01 and the message numbers include 1, 5, and 10. The third message type is ORM, which is commonly used message type that holds information about a request for materials or services. And again, the event type is A01 and message numbers include 1, 5, and 10. Thanks for watching the Mirth Minute video on OpenAI Plugin by Innovar Healthcare. Subscribe for more content and we'll see you next time.